Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today talking about the river. Guys, is this the end of the mighty Lindiwe Dlamini Tikana? Hell no. Just like a cat, Lindiwe have more than one life. Hlophe and his family want to kill Lindiwe and take over everything she owns, including mines and her mansion. But they forgot one thing, Lindiwe have a new family now, Bangizwe and his crew, who will work day and night ukuthola ukuthi ubani lo olwa no Lindiwe. On the previous episodes guys, bafikile ke hostela uBangizwe nabafana bakhe to rescue Lindiwe. They killed zonke inkabi and managed to get her out of that water tank alive, and she will have to hide for a few days. Amateasers hints ukuthi izinto azizohambela kahle umndeni wakwaHlophe kule nyanga eqalayo. They will even lose one of their family member, and lokho kuzodala ukuthi ke umndeni ungazwani kahle. The teasers reads, the Hlophe bid their fallen soldier goodbye. The Hlophes try to find a way to move on. Asazi ke bakithi ukuthi ke ubani ohambayo kulo yamndeni wakwaHlophe between ukhwezi umlilo kanye nonkanyezi, kodwa ke mina ngisola ukuthi umlilo ohambayo kuleya family. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.